So Faith says, Khulubuse, I love you, but angikwazi ukwakha umuzi phezu kwenyembezi zomunye umfazi. And I know exactly for a fact that you know ukuthi this was not business. This was personal, and you know who did this or who was trying to do this. This is soon after bathi bayahamba bayitolo bayoxosha and then kwaqhumika isibhamu ke bese bayabaleka, and unfortunately inhlamvu A1 ingene kuKhulubuse and then missed uFaith. Now Faith went, then she was then told, which okay, this is just a minor damage. Could you please get in the car, sit in the back seat, lie down, do not sit up straight. She went in and they went back home. Khulubuse rushed home, very upset, very aggressive, asking Untombi ukuthi, where is your son? And she couldn't answer where the son is, and that kind of give red flags, but not for sure, because the whereabout of the son does not determine that he was the one that is behind this. Now, Faith is she's going through emotions, and every day she wakes up she realizes this is not where I want to be, this is not where I should be. And she says, I know exactly that it had nothing to do with what you're explaining. This wanted me, and as a matter of fact, there is no way I'm going to ukuthi ngifele indoda, of all things not a man. So mina into engizoyenza ngiyacela ndikopaka budanga ndatuwa ndayahayana. The rest of the things we'll have to see them later, because I cannot do this. And I feel that that's a fair argument, and mina I'm with Faith through and through. And I feel like Untombi has been playing games with Ufethi, and this is just enough. And I don't know what will it take for Ufethi to realize that she needs to stand up and leave. Her brother walks in, and then Khulubuse started reassuring him, no, siswako uraiti. I made sure that she's okay. You can see she was not harmed and everything is fine. Then now there was a conversation that happened between Umsizi and Ufaith. That conversation, it was a critical conversation, but Umsizi was not talking about Faith leaving, going back home. It was him saying Sisi Begezela. Why? Because I think uqondi mali. Because what else would he want her to Begezela for? Because on the previous episode, he was saying that if I get this money, then I'm going to invest in business. So I'm just thinking, okay, even if it means sacrificing your sister, then you can do it so that you can invest in business. Probably he has already think ukuthi iliphi ishishini azoliqala, because why else would he not say, because of lesi senzo lesi this the family has done, can we go home? No, he wants her to stay there. He started lecturing her about how she is a very powerful and strong woman. I've seen you walk through thick and thin, under the rain, under the sun, and you never got weary. I've seen you and you've just been this strong woman that can do all these things. And then she kept saying, no, Puti, I want to go home. And he was not that he was not having it, but he was just trying to show her how strong she is, and angakwazi ukumelana nesimo. And I feel like part of it is about money and part of it is about ukuthi wena Faith awusihluleki, like you there's nothing that can hlula you if you put your mind and heart to it. And I think the timing was bad. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide Ndimadekwana. Sanbonan Abshin Malwen Minjani Hipukile Hingongwina. So Namutlakano kwa hina wa House of Zwide Hikumakoroslavs Temsekangi Katle, looking at the fact that Umama Gasbu decided to call the kids and said, I want to find out the truth. And oh, so help me God, you are going to tell me nothing but the truth. Okay. Loku bathi kuspahle, she was busy lying, said, no, mama, tina sazi lutho. And you can see ukuthi there was a collaboration, because if you remember on the other episode, uthi funa no mama ngamnquma ikhanda, we don't care kahle kahle. See, so in everything that Usibusiso did, Usbahle knew what was happening. And then now Usibusiso turned into Nkabi. And then Umama Usibusiso was like, I need you to tell me the truth. No, Mama Mina Lalela. You're going to tell me the truth. And when you tell me the truth, you're going to think about it first, because you're not going to lie to me. You are not going to lie. He tried, like I said, you are not going to lie to me, child. says, okay, fine, I did it. And then the mother was so upset, and then why would you do such kind of a thing? Like, what brought you to your mind ukuthi wenze into kanje? What do you think if le nhlamvu le bebulala ubaba wakho? And into okumele uyazi, uyajele wena athi oh ngiyacela bandla Nkosi shwele ngiyacela ungamtshela ubaba because this I was doing it for you. Athi angeke ubulala umuntu uthi umbulalela mina soze nanini nanangepati kaMandela soze sulfaka igama lami sulfaka. I'm not happy ngalesi senzo leso senzile. And well, when it comes to Sibusiso, do I see him repeating the same act? Yeah, he's capable of repeating it because all he wants ukuthi uFaith akahambe, and finally uFaith has decided ukuthi uzohamba, but I don't know if she's still gonna change her mind and still stay again. Yo, monna kodwa mudiphisela lulwimi adzula. Oh my God. So Sibusiso then finally admitted that yes, he did it, but then now the question is in untombi utamdzela papa yena kuri Sibusiso was the one that has orchestrated this whole thing? Because now if she tells him papa Sibusiso itaku afambe, because remember the previous meeting that they had, alaba kuri afamba. So he is going to say no, he must leave my house. In fact, he's gonna take him to jail. Anyhow, Mina, I'm just sitting here, I'm thinking you should have listened to Les when he was saying come back home, but no, you decided you're not going to go back home. Anyway, in the Tabernacle of Life Prophetic Church, there is a Mercedes-Benz. Wow, there is an old car that is being given to the community because Umfundi Simbumbulu says that he feels the need to give back to the community instead of just having a car sitting there doing nothing. Oh my God, baze baba brainwash abantu and they're falling for it. Now the church is very happy, and then Ukata came across Maria. Tells Maria ukuthi yena he's a changed man, he ukhonza a tabernacle of Ntontoni, and then now all he wants from her is not to have a conversation with her, but rather for her to tell the husband, who is Isaac Molapo, to come and meet him face to face because he's a changed man and ukhona into afuna ukuthi qhafqhaf naye. So agamlethe man face to face. That's what he wanted. Then when it comes to Maria, there isn't really much that he wants to discuss. Msizi decided to go and have a conversation with the family. Untombi was not having it. He told him and he was just so stunned. And I was like, he's supposed to pull chigidi. I just felt Msizi was slow.